Here's the real reason why dogs smell your crotch. Dogs have an insanely strong sense of smell. In fact, it's over 10,000 times stronger than our own. So they take in the world through their nose. So why the crotch? Well, as humans have special sweat glands called apocrine glands in certain areas of the body, like the armpits and yes, the crotch. These glands release pheromones, which basically act like chemical messages. And to a dog, these pheromones tell them a lot about you, your age, your gender, and even if you're stressed. And not only that, dogs can use these smells to detect health problems before you even know about them, and if someone's pregnant. So while it might seem a bit weird, it's just your dog's way of learning more about you.